National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warwick County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Waterloo to near Sharon, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts.